आज हम पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी में आए हैं गुजरात में, तो हम यहाँ के डायरेक्टर से भी बात करेंगे, साथ ही साथ यहाँ की फैकल्टीज एंड स्टूडेंट्स एंड ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स से भी कि उनका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। तो आज का सेशन आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है, तो मस्ट वॉच इट एंड चलिए मिलते हैं। सो लकीली वी ऑल्सो हैव ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, तो चलिए उनसे पूछते हैं और उनका एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि वो अभी कैंपस में ही है हमारे साथ।
Right now I am pursuing online MBA from Parul University. So I am in my third semester. So as of now it has been a very great experience. Reason being, considering the academic portion, the in-trend academic portion which is being taught by the management, and additionally the infrastructure, which online infrastructure which a university is programming, that is LMS, where every day faculties in digital form they are coming to us, and we as a student are joining the online lectures, and it's similarly equal to the conventional mode of teaching, where faculties are focusing on clearing all our doubts. Our each and every problem is being addressed. They are having a very unique initiative where they are providing mentors to us, because as a working professional 9 to 5 we are engaged, and mentors are like one point solution to us, where for our academic queries and for technical queries 24/7 anytime we can reach out to them on their WhatsApp number, or we can mail them, and in under 24 hours our queries are being resolved.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जब हम पीजी प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो स्टूडेंट्स आर डिसीजन मेकर, बट जैसे हमारी यूजी की बात आती है पेरेंट्स आर द डिसीजन मेकर, तो उन्हें समझाना थोड़ा सा टास्क है, क्योंकि अभी भी अगर हम देखें तो यूजी एंड पीजी का रेशियो थोड़ा कम है। यूजी वाले स्टूडेंट्स कम आते हैं ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन के लिए। सो अगर आप किसी पेरेंट्स को समझाएंगे तो क्या आप मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कि ये इट इज़ एज मच बेनिफिशियल एज any regular program?
So the question is about online BC or maybe the UG programs. So what happens here is you get the three main factors to choose the UG in online mode. So one is for the parents, mainly for the parents, it's kind of an affordability you get compared to offline UG programs. That's I'm talking about the fees. The second factor is flexibility. So what happens in offline BCA, you need to come, not in BCA, whatever the offline UG program is, you need to come on the campus, you need to attend the lectures, and there are the fixed schedules which you need to follow. So in online BCA, what you get is you get the flexibility of attending the lectures. You can complete the course at your own pace, and whenever you free, you can complete the lectures. And the third most important thing is entire thing is on the LMS. Now why I'm talking about the LMS, because it's the core thing on which we can take the lectures, where in offline it's a traditional teaching learning methodology going on. So what we can do is it's a drastic change in teaching learning methodology which we can apply in online UG programs. So those are the three main criteria which I would like to focus on.
मैं एज अ एम्प्लॉय यहाँ पे वर्क भी कर रहा हूँ, एंड विद दैट आई एम studying my MBA online here.
Online MBA, okay.
And it has been a very good experience over here studying, because one of the best thing I feel is the way that we get to learn, the flexibility that we get, the support from the faculties, and apart from that the study materials also that we get. So it's wonderful. Like as a working professional, one of the major problem that we face is time management. So the materials, the support, that actually helps us to learn our programs in bit depth, and that too in a way that we can manage everything, our work, studies, all of those are manageable with the help of our faculties and all.
So मतलब इनका एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा है कि ये काम भी कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, और ये इंस्पायर हो गए ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम करने के लिए, तो ही इज ऑल्सो परस्यूइंग दैट। वेल, ग्रेट। सो अनदर वन फ्रॉम द टीम ऑफ पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी ओनली, एंड इन्होंने शायद BBA करा था रेगुलर मोड से, एंड नाउ शी इज़ परस्यूइंग ऑनलाइन MBA फ्रॉम द सेम यूनिवर्सिटी। वेल, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड हाउ कम यू आर परस्यूइंग ऑनलाइन MBA?
Currently, I am doing MBA in online mode, and as I completed my BBA in offline mode, so at first I thought it was not as effective as offline. But when I started studying in online mode, so I thought it was more effective than offline. Just in case I miss any lectures or anything, there is an option of recorded videos, which is very helpful for students.
क्या अच्छा लगता है इस यूनिवर्सिटी में? Programs and concerts?
Be here, be vibrant. Classes are good, everything is going good. Life is good.
आपके बगल में भी कोई है?
No, कुछ नहीं.
Okay. Good. Everything is good. Everything is good.
Everything is good.
Yeah, everything is good. Programs and all.
That's it. और कुछ यार यहाँ तो मैं सुबह से देख रही हूँ everything is happening. कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है.
Actually, it's vibrant and it's really good.
सारे स्टूडेंट्स को टैगलाइन पता है यूनिवर्सिटी की.
Like there are overall programs going on every day, kinda every month or everything. Like the programs are really good and all. So we
mic
get to
pass karo.
like and we all get to enjoy everything. And the campus is really good though.
We are enjoying here very much. Especially I'm first year student, so I am enjoying very much.
अच्छा, अगर आप लोगों को किसी को सजेशन देना हो, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कोई सजेशन या कोई मैसेज है आप लोगों के पास?
Yeah, especially the college life and the campus life is much good. So they can join here.
एंड ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम भी कर सकते हैं फिर तो, मतलब क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन.
Yeah, it's good, but more than that, the programs, the college life, campus life is much better.
अगर आपको इस यूनिवर्सिटी का एक दिन के लिए डीन या फिर वो क्या बोलते हैं यार, डायरेक्टर बना दिया जाए, तो क्या करोगे?
I'll give 75% above attendance for everyone.
75. Oh,
Same.
same. Don't say same. बोलो.
is same 75% attendance is necessary ना, तो वही majority है.
Food courts open to all, free.
अच्छा, all the food courts for free for students.
All the students are suffering of attendance. I also give free attendance.
So, if you could say one word about Parul University.
Amazing.
Vibrant.
Campus life.
Supportive faculty.
Effective and interactive LMS.
The flexibility of learning.
Our faculty.
I love Parul University.
Be vibrant. Wonderful and great campus.
Lively and fun.
So what do we like about university? But about the university, Parul University, which it is. Me personally, I like Parul University because of the sports.
That's the future.
I really love about Parul is that it is really easy to make friends here.
Be here and be vibrant.